Hi guys, this is step-by-step guide how to install WhatsApp on iPhone. Let's go. First off, open App Store, search for WhatsApp and get this application. Once installed, open the app, agree to the terms and conditions, allow notifications. Now select your country code. You can search, by the way, and enter your phone number. Now tap on Next. Now, if you had an account before, you need to enter your two-step verification PIN if you set it before. So I have simple PIN. Now, as well, if you had an account before, you will be suggested to restore from iCloud. It restores your chats, media, and so on. So tap on Restore. Message is restored, tap on Next, allow to access contacts. You can select contacts or allow full access to all contacts. Now edit your profile, you can change your name. Or once again, I just had an account before. For new accounts, you have to create new name for your account, then tap on Done. And voila, here it is, your new WhatsApp account. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome.